Ever wondered how businesses are harnessing the power of data in our digital era? Welcome to the world of business intelligence, or BI for short. In this digital age, BI is not just about gathering data, but about transforming this raw, unprocessed information into actionable insights. And now, using the power of artificial intelligence, we are able to enhance analysis, enabling companies to make swift, informed decisions. In the vast ocean of data, it's the power of interpretation that sets successful businesses apart. Meet BI+AI, your ally in navigating the sea of data. As pioneers in the business intelligence field, we've been shaping data landscapes for almost a decade. Our extensive experience and innovative approach have transformed the way businesses operate, turning raw data into actionable insights that drive success. Imagine having a compass that doesn't just point north, but towards growth, productivity, and efficiency. That's what BI+AI offers. We're not just a technology provider, we're a partner in your journey, committed to your success. Listen to the voices of our satisfied clients. They'll tell you about the tangible results we've delivered, the game-changing decisions they've made based on our insights. They'll share stories of how we've helped them stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving digital landscape. In the end, it's not about the data we gather, but what we do with it. Our clients' success stories bear testament to our expertise and commitment. The future of business is here, and you can be part of it. Embrace the collaboration with BI+AI, a partner in your journey towards growth and success. We live by our motto, where data meets decision, where intelligence meets action. We are more than just a technology provider. We are your ally in deciphering the language of data, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, and shaping informed decisions. Join us in shaping the future. Be part of the technological revolution with BI+AI.